Kumakanta-kanta ka pa. So today, yun nga, pupunta kami ngayon sa Saint Petersburg. Traveling time around 4 hours and something. Sasakyan namin yung mabilis sa train dito. Hindi na kami mag-overnight sa train. Hindi pa namin na-experience yun. Try namin na ma-experience yung train dito. Then Saint Petersburg, after Saint Petersburg, kukuha na lang kami ng Uber or Yandex taxi papunta sa hotel. Yun lang. So, if there's any information, you can comment me down below. So, para masagot ko yung mga question nyo na experience ko dito sa Moscow. Bye!
Kasi eco-friendly. It's made of paper.
Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find the light in your soul. I'll be there. Never leaving you in the darkness, even when you're out of focus. I will be the light in your life. You'll see it clear. I'll be your real.
Marunong basa eh. Sa harapan na. Nakaupo ako. Wala naman nakagod.
Ano naman natin mamaya pag may mga makyat dito.
Ako yun eh. Nalik mo.
I'll be your inspiration, 'cause I know that you'll do just what you're told. I'll be your hard-earned temptation, 'cause I know that you'll make it on your own. Baby, you can count on me now. When you're falling down, 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 I will find the light in your soul. I'll be there. Leaving you alone is the hardest, even when you're out of focus. I will be the light in your
So guys, room tour muna tayo, no? Dito sa Saint Petersburg. Kakababa lang namin. So, ito yung room namin, no? As you can see, room tour! Okay, start tayo sa toilet. Toilet. Ayan. Nandiyan naman yung mga necessity. May mga hair dryer din sila. Ito naman. Then, you have your sofa, small plant, overlooking the construction outside. Then, have my office. Terno pa doon sa upuan yung ano niya. Oh. And then, we have the closet. Nandiyan na yung mga gamit namin. You have your TV. Iwasan mo. Late na. Anyway, check natin yung bed. Buksan natin ang ilaw. And that's the bed. That's my wife. That's the room tour. Maliit lang siya pero may ano nga pala, meron itong common kitchen. Pwede ka magluto. May common laundry rin siya sa labas. Kaya okay na rin, makapaglaba kami. After sa mosque namin, di kami nakakapaglaba eh. Room tour, done.